Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is a whole house cleaning motivation video. So I hope you get tons of motivation from this. I had laundry to do, vacuuming, cleaning bathrooms, cleaning bedrooms. I mean, you name it, I had to get it done. Also, I am really excited because this video is a collaboration with Cortney Corns.
Hi everyone, my name is Courtney and I'm a wife and a mom of 2 little boys. On my channel, you will find motherhood videos, lifestyle, cleaning and organizing, some decorating, and a few vlogs. I hope that once you are done with Gretchen's video that you will stop over on my channel and leave me a comment and say hi.
When you're done with my video, be sure to check the description box below because I will have Courtney's video linked. Make sure you head over there, stop by her channel, check out her video, and let her know if you're coming over from my channel that I sent you. And if you just clicked over here from Courtney's channel, I just want to say welcome. I am really glad that you're here and you decided to click on this video today. So I hope you'll take a moment, stop by in the comments, say hi, and introduce yourself. I would love to get to know you guys better.
Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing all these made up.
So you're going to notice that I started in my master bedroom, and that was just because I had neglected it with being a full-time working mom that works outside of the house. I always leave my master bedroom for last. I clean everything else and my room just gets neglected, so I really wanted to just show it a little love and give it a really good deep clean, dusting, polishing furniture. I mean, you can see just how dirty everything was. It was just so bad. I really wish that I did have a lot more time to dedicate to keeping the master bedroom clean than I do to everything else, because in all honesty, this is one of the rooms that when it is clean, I enjoy the most, and that is because at the end of the night, I am getting into a clean room, a clean bed, just everything smells fresh. So I'm curious to know, what is the room that you enjoy the most after you have cleaned? This is by far the most cluttered space in my master bedroom. I try really hard to not have too much stuff on here, and every single time I fail, and look at all that dust that this space just collects. And I know that if I had less knickknacks and things on there, it would probably be better, but I seem to fail every single time, and then it just becomes a catch-all for everything.
It's so extreme and I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
And once I was done getting this room all dusted and polished, it was time to vacuum. There is something about the vacuum lines, guys. I don't know if it is just becoming an adult or what it is, but between a clean sink and vacuum lines makes my heart just full.
But there are plenty more ways to think. I'm not pretending. I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
So the first thing that I had put to wash were my bed sheets, and I was just making sure that I got that switched over so that I can put them on my bed when I was all done. While that was drying, it was time for me to head into the living area, which is usually where I start, and you can see that I still had some Valentine's Day stuff out. This was actually a few days after Valentine's Day, and I had set up a table for the kids, and I was just getting everything cleaned up. The only things that I left on the table were the roses and the cards that we all gave to each other.
Mad woman, keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, you turn on your business if I'm a mad woman.
So I am vacuuming everything really well. You can see that I'm giving everything a really good vacuum because I am so sad that my robot vacuum is not working right now. It actually was a tire little track, and my husband tried to fix it, and it works till it gets to like the middle of the house, and then it has an error. So I am hoping that because it is under warranty that we can get this resolved soon, because I miss my vacuum so much, my robot vacuum so much. Everything is dusty. It is just, it's such a pain to look at the floor right now and dust everywhere.
Just try, baby, try. You find it distracting, hold of our issues, rather die with you. We no longer talk when it gets hard, so it only gets harder.
Moving into the kitchen, the first thing that I needed to do was unload the dishwasher and get all of the other dishes put in. I have been using this dishwasher like nobody's business. I really do love it. I don't care what anybody says about hand washing dishes. I prefer this dishwasher, and I am so thankful that I got it for Christmas because I am getting my use out of it.
Tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just tried. Just try, baby, try. We can do better, baby, I believe. Come a little closer, we can dive in deep. We can do it better, baby, I believe. Even if I try so hard, nothing's ever enough.
My daughter was playing with pink slime on this counter, and magic eraser got it right off, and it was the magic eraser from the Dollar Tree.
Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met, yeah.
once my sheets were done drying, it was time to get everything on the bed and get it made. And yes, by the time that I got this done, it was closer to the evening, but it really does feel great to get into a made bed. Doesn't matter when you've made it, but getting into a made bed, and I've heard people say this before, but when you do it, and then you don't have it made and you get into the bed, it feels totally different. In my opinion, I think that's just how it feels. Once my room was finally done, it was time to sweep and mop the whole house. This is something that I don't get to do except for maybe once a week. And when it gets really bad, it's like once every 2 weeks. And I love having the floor clean. But it isn't easy to keep up with when you're working full time. So when I can get this done, I am thrilled about it because I love having the floor just smell good after it's been mopped. The next thing that I had to do was clean my master bathroom. All of the stuff that you see on the floor was from my husband getting back from a trip that he was on. He was at a church conference, and of course everything got left there and I had not unpacked yet. He got a lot of his dirty clothes out, but everything else I just needed to put away. And then in the process, you know how the bathroom gets, clutter everywhere, things everywhere that just needed to get cleaned up. So on this day I did have to clean the shower. I had been doing really good at cleaning in between like showering, and then I kind of stopped, and it gets harder for me to clean the shower when that happens. Usually what I do is I leave that wand in the shower, the dishwashing wand, and I leave it filled up with soap, and every time we shower I kind of just wipe it down, and I had stopped doing that, so it's a little bit difficult to clean the shower that day. And even though the kids use the tub a lot, it really wasn't that bad, but I just wanted to give it like a quick wipe down. If you have made it to the end of this video, please leave me a comment or hit the like button. I hope that you have gotten tons and tons of cleaning motivation for today, and maybe you've gotten up to clean with me. Please don't forget when you leave here to go over to Courtney's channel and check out her video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.